Ever wondered why sleep seems elusive sometimes? Well, the answer might just lie in a simple mineral: magnesium. We all know sleep is essential, it's the body's natural way of recharging. Yet for many, a peaceful night's sleep is a struggle. Tossing and turning, counting sheep, trying every trick in the book but to no avail. Now imagine if the solution to this struggle could be as simple as incorporating a mineral into your routine. That's where magnesium comes in. This mighty mineral plays a crucial role in our bodies, contributing to relaxation, improving sleep, reducing anxiety, supporting bone health, controlling blood sugar, and maintaining cardiovascular health. In this video, we'll be exploring the potential of magnesium as an aid for better sleep. We'll delve into scientific findings, personal experiences, and the overall benefits of this magnificent mineral. So, let's delve into why I started taking magnesium for sleep and how it might help you too. Magnesium plays a significant role in our bodies more than you might realize. This humble mineral is a bit of an unsung hero, involved in over 300 biochemical reactions. Yes, you heard it right, 300. It's like the backstage crew of a theater production, ensuring everything runs smoothly without seeking the spotlight. One of magnesium's marquee roles is promoting relaxation. It's like a natural chill pill, helping our muscles to relax and our nerves to calm down. It's the friend that tells you to take a deep breath when you're feeling tense. But that's not all. Magnesium also plays a key role in reducing anxiety. It's like a gentle whisper in your ear, reassuring you that things are going to be okay. This can help you unwind at the end of a long day, setting the stage for a peaceful night's sleep. Speaking of sleep, magnesium is a bit of a sleep superstar. It aids in regulating our sleep cycles, helping us drift off into dreamland and stay there. It's like a lullaby that keeps playing, ensuring we get the deep, restful sleep we need. And here's the kicker. Most of us aren't getting enough magnesium. It's like we're missing out on a secret weapon for relaxation, anxiety reduction, and improved sleep. And the consequences aren't just about feeling a bit more tense or having a restless night. Magnesium is also crucial for bone health, controlling blood sugar, and maintaining cardiovascular health. With such crucial roles, it's clear to see why an adequate intake of magnesium is essential. But don't just take my word for it, let's look at what science has to say about magnesium and sleep. Over the years, numerous scientific studies have been conducted to explore the relationship between magnesium and sleep. These studies have consistently found a positive correlation between magnesium intake and improved sleep quality. In a study published in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences, for example, participants who received magnesium supplementation over an 8-week period reported better sleep quality compared to those who received a placebo. The researchers concluded that magnesium appears to improve sleep efficiency, sleep time, and sleep onset, while also reducing early morning waking and insomnia symptoms. Another study, this time in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society, focused on older adults. It found that magnesium supplementation improved sleep quality in older adults suffering from insomnia by increasing sleep duration and reducing early morning awakening. Further supporting these findings, a meta-analysis of 19 studies, published in the journal Nutrients, found that dietary magnesium intake is significantly and independently associated with sleep quality. Beyond just sleep quality, magnesium has also been found to help with sleep disorders. A study in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine found that magnesium can be an effective treatment for restless leg syndrome, a condition that can cause sleep disruptions. And it's not just about quantity of sleep, but also the quality. Magnesium plays a key role in the function of your nervous system, helping you to relax and fall into a deep, restful sleep. So it's not just anecdotal evidence or old wives' tales. The science is clear. Magnesium can and does play a significant role in helping us sleep better. Whether it's helping us fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, or even combat sleep disorders, magnesium has proven itself to be a powerful ally in our quest for a good night's sleep. These studies provide compelling evidence for the role of magnesium in promoting better sleep. Now let's talk about my personal journey with magnesium. I was one of those folks who found it hard to shut off the world and drift into a peaceful slumber. Insomnia was my uninvited guest, and it overstayed its welcome. That's when I stumbled upon an article about magnesium and its benefits, especially for sleep. Intrigued, I decided to give it a shot. I started incorporating magnesium into my routine, and folks, I kid you not, I began to notice a difference. My sleep quality improved dramatically. I was no longer tossing and turning, trying to find that elusive comfort zone. Instead, I found myself drifting off into deep, restful slumber quicker than before, and when morning came, I was refreshed, re-energized, and ready to seize the day. The duration of my sleep extended, and I was finally saying goodbye to those groggy, foggy mornings. But remember, my experience is purely anecdotal. Magnesium may not be the magic bullet for everyone's sleep issues. But research does suggest that it can play a significant role in enhancing sleep quality and duration for many people. So, what form of magnesium should you take? Well, it's up to you, and what works for me might not work for you. But you can find links to the magnesium that I take in the description below. And that's why I started taking magnesium for sleep. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a comment below, and remember, your journey to better sleep might just start with a little magnesium.